This wig just gave me a whole new attitude. You want to know how to transform into a new woman? I came for this Freestyle Friday. Come back 6, wake me in your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think. Oh, hello there, and welcome to another episode of Hair and Heart Talk with your girl Des, sponsored by Beauty Exchange. It's Freestyle Friday, and I got somebody fun for you. Today we're reviewing Laila in the color Dark Roots Hot Pink. What are your thoughts of her straight out the box? What's she looking like? This is a frontal effect hairline, meaning it does have a pre-part as well as bangs, but they made a little bit of space in the front with the lace to give that frontal effect if you wanted to, you know, push it back. You'll see a little bit later. It does have the standard clips and elastic band. You see them bangs, but it is still HD transparent lace. Don't even talk about me. Don't, because I'm cute. I had to hold back my laughter. Wow, look at the wig though. You can tell she's pretty. You can tell she's good quality. I mean, look at that. You know she feels good. Look at my hands gliding through. I didn't even have to brush her first. But the bangs are so long. It's so pretty though. Like, this is a pretty rock star unit. Like, what are those dolls? The vampire dolls? I don't know. Is it Monster High? My niece be watching that. That's what it's giving. The unit is pretty. It's giving Brat Style mixed with Monster High, Rockstar, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. So this is what I was talking about, where it has the frontal effect. You see how it still looks like lace, but there's not much room behind that, so you can't do too much pulling it back, but you can clip it back, I guess, if you want it. And you might have to do a little plucking. So I started doing all this sorting through the hair because I wanted to try to do maybe 4 bantu knots at the top combined with the bang, which would have been super cute, but I'll have to do that with another wig because, like I said, there wasn't too much free parting space in the back. It was just the illusion, which is good, but not for what I was trying to do. So it's not that type of wig, and we had to switch the style up. You know, we have to go in and cut them bangs, right? So this is where I'm going to show you how to cut your bangs. Start in the middle always, and then you want to use your fingers as a guide and cut straight across. The further away you cut, the shorter they're going to come back. So try to cut as close to your forehead as you can. If you want volume and stuff, you can do it further away, but that's later. That's advanced, babe. Then you're going to do each side after you've cut the middle. Like, I want straight bangs to just go straight across. Me, I kind of like that triangle effect, so I kind of went diagonal as I finished each side, and almost as if I was cutting like face frame layers in a way. You can literally use the same method I'm teaching you to cut your bangs for your real bangs or on a human hair wig as well. So on the side here, I like to leave the bangs extra long because it just, I don't know what to call this effect, but it makes it super cute. I love when the bangs are in that triangular effect, but still long on the ends. Then I was just cutting in between the hairs to thin out the bangs. If you like a more see-through bang, just keep doing it until it's like way see-through, but don't be too rough or you will cut a chunk out. And on today's Heart Talk, we're going to talk about the difference between confidence and self-worth and style this hair at the same time. So I just parted a little diagonal triangle or square on the side of this unit, but of course you have to adjust the lace. You can glue it down if you want to be secure, but I didn't. This is a glueless unit, and I just adjust the lace so that it lays down, and I'll comb the hair forward eventually. But right now I'm just combing the hair backwards and seeing where I want to lay it because I'm most likely just going to clip it up. So just follow what I'm doing and you'll see it's super easy, super simple. This is another hairstyle that you'll be able to add to your repertoire. I don't even know if that's the right word, but anyways, you can add this hairstyle to your list of hairstyles that you know how to do, girl. And so you never be boring. You're never the same girl. You're just gonna be that girl who keeps it spicy. Nobody knows your next move. Like, you're that girl because you're not boring. Anyways, I have all these effortless, beautiful hairstyles. Yeah, I just sprayed it with the Got2b and brushed it backwards, and I'm gonna position it. First, let's get into what confidence is. Confidence is it just means trust. To trust in. So usually your confidence will
determine your decisions, what you go for, what you're afraid of or not afraid of, your ability to speak up, things like that, your faith, all of that. And do you see how I adjusted the lace? This also will be a good time if you wanted to spray her down because it's parted and divided and it won't mess up the hair too much, and you can lay the wig band there. But again, like I said, I'm wearing it glueless. Then I just began to do the same thing I did on this side on the other side. And you see how sleek and easy that was? I just clipped that piece back. Let's talk about what is self-worth. Self-worth is like how you perceive yourself, what you deem yourself worthy of, your perceived value. So usually your self-worth is going to determine what you allow, how you allow people to treat you, what boundaries and standards you have in place for yourself, and what you believe is capable or acceptable for yourself. And these two do go hand in hand, but they are different. I don't know if you're following and if you understand the difference. Which one of these are you working on rebuilding right now? And let me tell you why these two things matter so much. But if you notice on this side, I didn't automatically spray it and slick it up because it was a little bulky at the top, so I twisted it and clipped it out the way really quick, aka with my teeth. Sometimes you gotta get creative. I sprayed the back and then just went in and hot combed it real quick because if you see that it's a little bulky or it's a little, staticky, you just gotta take care of that and then keep it moving. So then after that, now I'm able to go ahead and slick this part back, but we have to handle that first. But yeah, we want to master building up our self-worth and our confidence because that's what's going to allow you to become the woman you've always dreamed of, the woman you know you are deep inside, but just aren't embodying yet. Confidence is going to allow you to go after everything that you've ever dreamed of and say the things you've always wanted to say. And the self-worth is going to get you that princess treatment you always know you deserve, that respect, and have you feeling good about yourself, knowing who you are and knowing you're that girl. And that's today's Heart Talk, period. Comment rebuilding if you're rebuilding these things and you know you're stepping into the era of that girl that you know you've always been meant to be and that you always have been. So now that I've done the other side, I'm just clipping it back, but you see how there's some flyaways back there? It's okay to unclip it and reclip it until you get it right. I'm just gonna brush it down with my hands and then I'm going to readjust. As you can see, I'm pulling both pieces together in the back and I'm gonna hold them together and then clip it. So this is the final result. What do you think? Would you wear her? Would you try this look or this style? What is it giving? If you do like this wig, I'm going to link everything for you in the description box below, including the products, or you can get her at mybeautyexchange.com. Or if you're local to any of the stores, go ahead and go inside. We'd love to see you. Make sure you follow our social medias for a free game and bomb hair. Bye.